Good morning to all. Today's my topic presentation is schizophrenia. Schizophrenia क्या होता है? Definition: It is a psychotic condition characterized by a disturbance in thinking, emotions, relations, and faculties in the presence of clear consciousness, which usually leads to social withdrawal. It is a type of functional psychosis characterized mainly by disturbance in thinking and associated disturbance in psychomotor activity, affect perceptions and behavior. Schizophrenia होता क्या? A serious mental illness in which a person confused the real world and the world of imagination and often behaves in strange and unexpected ways. ये एक गंभीर मनोरोग बीमारी है जिसे इंसान एक दूसरे को पहचानने में बहुत दिक्कत आती है. इसलिए हम पढ़ेंगे इटियोलॉजी. इसकी इटियोलॉजी क्या है? इडियोपैथिक, हेरिडेटरी इंसिडेंस, हाई इन यूनिलर ट्विंस, personality, child development and present child relationship, age between 15 to 30 and also some after 30 years, sex equal in both sex, social isolations, predisposed unstable persons relationship, intelligence, overcrowding stimulus, prescription stress regarding infective disease, pregnancy, family problem, etc. Endocrine excess of dopamine dependent neuronal activity in brain associate with other disease more common in temporal lobe epilepsy. ठीक है. Etiology: The exact cause of schizophrenia are now research suggests a combination of physical, genetic, psychological and environmental factors can make a person more likely to develop the condition. Some people may be in schizophrenia and a stressful emotional life event might trigger and psychotic episode. ठीक है. अब हम इसके पढ़ेंगे क्लिनिकल मैनिफेस्टेशन. क्लिनिकल मैनिफेस्टेशन में हम पढ़ेंगे आउटसाइड थिंकिंग, इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स कंसिडर्स टू थिंग्स आइडेंशियल, डिस्टर्ब थिंकिंग, इमोशंस एंड बिहेवियर, पेशेंट अपीयर्स एब्जॉर्ब एंड डिजायर, सोशल विड्रॉल फ्रॉम रिलीजन, philosophy, science, sex and power, absence of thinking between ideas, crowding and poverty of idea, flights of idea, words are linked without meaning, word salad, disturbance of emotion, emotion blottings or effect patient laugh when he is accepted to cry and carries when he is accepted to laugh, hypersensitiveness of insensitiveness of feelings, ambivalence, experience of two opposites of feeling, disturbance of behavior आएगा इसमें अपना importance of behavior, rowdy, violent है ना, criminal and sexual over activity, disturbance of balance, violations, reduction of drive and desire to carry out routine work, avoiding mixing, disturbance of emotion blurting of slowness of effect, inappropriate effect patient laugh and he is accepted to cry and carries when he is accepted to laugh, hypersensitization of insensitiveness of feelings, ambivalence, experience of two opposites of feeling, disturbance of behavior, irrelevant and imprudent behavior, addictions, rowdy, violent. ठीक है, ये हमने पढ़ लिया. अब डिस्टर्बेंस ऑफ वायलेंस, डिस्टर्बेंस ऑफ perception, hallucination, auditory and visual are common, other are vary, are hallucination are either structures, animal voice. ठीक है. disturbance of motility in cytonic, increased psychomotor activity, stupors, neganism, mutism. ठीक है. वैक्सी, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, डिस्टर्ब ऑफ अटेंशन में आएगा एक्सेसिव टू डेवलिंग एंड फैंटेसी, spells of laughter and crying without reason. ठीक है. Patient passes urine and stool in his clothes and play with his own extracts, absence, make lot of mistake in work. उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे इसमें हेलुसिनेशंस हो जाता है. दिस आर फॉल्स बिलीफ दैट आर नॉट बेस्ड इन रियलिटी. हेलुसिनेशन दिस यूजुअली इन्वॉल्व साइन और हियरिंग थिंग दैट डोंट नॉट एक्सिड डिजायर्ड थिंकिंग. डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड थिंकिंग इज इन्फर्ड फ्रॉम disorganized speech, extremity, disorganized abnormal motor behavior and negative symptoms. पॉजिटिव सिम्टम्स आएगा एंड चेंज बिहेवियर थ्रू थॉट्स एंड हेलुसिनेशन. नेगेटिव सिम्टम्स वेयर पीपल अपीयर्स टू विड्रॉल फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड अराउंड देन टेक ऑन interest in every social interactions and often appears emotions and flat. Schizophrenia is a chronic brain disorder that affects less than 1% of US population, and schizophrenia is active. Symptoms can include delusionation, hallucination, speech trouble with thinking, and lack of motivation. Teens are likely to have. उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे हेलुसिनेशन. व्हेन अ पर्सन विद सिजोफेनिया हैज हेलुसिनेशन दे शी हियर स्मेल और टेस्ट थिंग दैट डोंट एक्सिड्स. डेलुसिनेशन डिसऑर्गेनाइज थिंकिंग, overly excited, grandiosity, emotions withdrawal, lack of emotions expressions. ठीक है. अब उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे साइकोपैथोलॉजी इन सिजोफेनिया. द इलनेस ऑफ एज. ठीक है. Phenomenons of regression, example of reversible in infantial and childhood pattern of psychological living state of organization where a reality does and exists. Thus patients attempt to resolve his psychological conflicts by denying the harsh and painful reality world and living in a fantasy world full of pleasures. ठीक है. साइकोपैथोलॉजी क्या होती है उसकी? साइकोपैथोलॉजी हमारी सिजोफेनिया इज अ सीवियर मेंटल डिसऑर्डर कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय हेलुसिनेशन, डेलुसिनेशन थ्रो डिसऑर्डर्स, डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड बिहेवियर एंड नेगेटिव सिम्टम्स होता है. ठीक है. साइकोपैथोलॉजी आल्सो कॉल्ड एबनॉर्मल साइकोलॉजी, द स्टडी ऑफ मेंटल डिसऑर्डर एंड यूनिवर्सल ऑफ मेलाडेप्टिव बिहेवियर एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द जेनेसिस ऑफ मेंटल डिसऑर्डर इज अ क्रिटिकल टू मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोफेशंस इन साइकेट्रिक, साइकोलॉजी एंड सोशल वर्क. A psychotic episode of disorder will result in the presence of one more of following two categories: delusionation, hallucination, disorganized thought, disorganized behavior, negative symptoms, and incidence of a psychotic episode around 50 in 10,000 people. ठीक है. Overview. Disorder is mental health disorder and mark a combination of schizophrenia symptoms such as hallucinations or delusionation and mood disorder symptoms such as depression or mania. ठीक है. इट कैन आल्सो हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड वॉट इन एनी टाइम कैन बी डन ऑन प्रिवेंट द लाइफ लॉन्ग डिसऑर्डर. जेनेटिक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट रिस्क फैक्टर सिजोफेनिया में भी जीन, स्ट्रक्चरल चेंज इन द ब्रेन, केमिकल चेंज इन द ब्रेन, प्रेगनेंसी और बर्थ कॉम्प्लिकेशन, चाइल्डहुड ट्रोमा, प्रीवियस ड्रग यूज. Psychologists often classify behavior and abnormal using deviance, distress, dysfunction and dangers. ठीक है. उसके बाद टाइप्स ऑफ सिजोफेनिया. टाइप्स ऑफ सिजोफेनिया में हम पढ़ेंगे पैरानॉइड सिजोफेनिया, अर्ली ऑनसेट. पैरानोया मीन्स डेलुसिनेशन इन अकर बिटवीन 25 to 30 ईयर्स में होता है. सीन मोर मेल्स देन फीमेल्स. डेलुसिनेशन ऑफ सस्पिशंस, प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस एंड ग्रेंडियर्स, डिसऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ स्पीच एंड थ्रो, हेलुसिनेटरी वॉइस एंड चिटनिंग और कमांडिंग, आल्सो वॉइस ऑन विजलिंग एंड लाफ्स. Effect is usually of hostility, anger, of substances. Negative symptoms like flat affect, poverty and speech and poor activity. Prognosis is good. इसमें हमारा होता क्या है? ठीक है. सिजोफेनिया में this is most common type of schizophrenia. It may develop after in life, then occur from symptoms include hallucination and or delusionation, but your speech and emotion may not be affected. ठीक है. उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे हिब्बाफ्रेनिक सिजोफेनिया. हिब्बाफ्रेनिक सिजोफेनिया आल्सो, इसमें अर्ली इंसिडेंस ऑनसेट occur between the age of 20 to 25 years. Thinking disturbance, regression, silent behavior, somatic delusionation, unpredictable and silliness, irrelevance, poverty of idea, prognosis is poor. इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे. उसके बाद पढ़ेंगे हम हेबिफेनिक सिजोफेनिया. हेबिफेनिक सिजोफेनिया में अर्लिंग एंड इंसीडियस ऑनसेट. ठीक है. ये पूरा पढ़ लिया. अब आल्सो नाउ एज डिसऑर्गेनाइज सिजोफेनिया. दिस टाइप ऑफ सिजोफेनिया टिपिकली डेवलप व्हेन यू आर 15 to 25 years old. Symptoms include disorganized behavior and thoughts alongside short lasting delusionation and hallucination. You may have disorganized speech patterns and other may find too difficult to understand you. People living with a disorganized schizophrenia often show little or no emotion in their facial expressive, voice tone और mannerisms. ठीक है. अब इसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे सिंपल सिजोफेनिया. हमारे सिंपल सिजोफेनिया insidious and gradual course occurs between age of 15 to 20 years. More incidence in males. Disturbance in effect, disturbance in thinking, delusionation and hallucination are rare. Wanderings aimlessly. Prognosis is poor. Simple schizophrenia is really diagnosed in the UK. Negative symptoms: movement, poor memories, lack of concentration and poor hygiene are most prominent early and worsen, while positive symptoms such as hallucination, delusionation, disorganized thinking are clearly experienced. हम पढ़ेंगे कैटाटोनिक सिजोफेनिया. उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे अकर्स बिटवीन एज ऑफ 20 to 25 ईयर्स, इक्वल इन बोथ सेक्सेस, डिस्टर्बेंस ऑफ थिंकिंग, इफेक्ट एंड बिहेवियर, एक्यूट और सब एक्यूट ऑनसेट, ऑटिज्म, ठीक है, एक्साइटमेंट एंड डिस्ट्रक्टिव बिहेवियर, डेलुसिनेशन, हेलुसिनेशन आर कॉमन. प्रोग्नोसिस इज गुड बट रिसोर्स एंड कॉमन. इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे दिस इज आर rarest schizophrenia diagnosis characterized by unusual, limited and sudden movement. You may often switch between being very activity or very still. You may not talk much and you may mimic others' speech and movement. उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे कैटाटोनिक सिजोफेनिया. अब इसमें absence of speech, maintenance of right posture, against effort to move, negativism behavior, posture of longer period of time, stupors, reaction towards surroundings, echolemia, mimicking of parents and words, inferix, mimicking exam, observe, waxy flexibility. ठीक है, अब हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे रेसिडुअल सिजोफेनिया. Residual schizophrenia में emotional blunting, eccentric behavior, social withdrawal, a type of schizophrenia which has been and less to episode in the past but without prominent psychotic symptoms and presence. Undifferentiated schizophrenia. Late schizophrenia occurs after 40 years of age. Schizoaffective psychosis with symptoms of depression and mania and also neurosis. Prognosis poor. Childhood or not common but been between age of 5 to 10 years and 12 to 14 years. Onset in acute or gradual. Prognosis is poor. Schizophrenia is psychosis. Symptoms of schizophrenia associate with symptoms of depression and mania. ठीक है, अब हम इसमें प्रोग्नोसिस. डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलनेस, शॉर्टनेस, duration, career between prognosis. Types of schizophrenia: catatonic and paranoid type. Career good prognosis, simple, hemispheric, proceduralopathic types do not carry good prognosis. Personality non and stable personality, response better. Precipitating factors: presence of precipitating factors. Careers good prognosis as 20 to 30 years of age. Careers better prognosis than other age. Type of onset: acute onset. Careers better prognosis than gradual onset. डायग्नोसिस में हम पढ़ेंगे इसका साइकेट्रिक हिस्ट्री, मेंटल स्टेटस ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन, क्लिनिकल ऑब्जर्वेशन, सीटी स्कैन, एमआरआई. ऑफिशियल डायग्नोसिस इज बेस्ड ऑन क्राइटेरिया. ठीक है, अब हम इसकी डायग्नोसिस पढ़ेंगे. Diagnosis of schizophrenia में हम पढ़ेंगे there is no single test of schizophrenia and the condition is usually diagnosed after assessment by a specialist in mental health. If you are concerned you may be developing symptoms of schizophrenia, see GP as soon as possible. The earlier schizophrenia is treated the better. The GP will ask about your symptoms and check they are not result of other cause such as drug use. Community mental health team: if a diagnosis of schizophrenia is suspected the GP should after your local community mental health team. CMHT community mental health team are made up of different mental health professionals who support people with complex mental health conditions. Members of the CMHT team, usually a psychiatric or specialist nurse, will carry out a more detailed assessment of your symptoms. Also when now your personal history and current. ठीक है, to make a diagnosis most mental health care professional use a diagnosis checklist. Schizophrenia can usually be diagnosed if are experience one more of the following symptoms most of the time of month: delusionation, hallucination, hearings, voice, incoherent speech. Negative symptoms such as flattening of emotions. Your symptoms have had significant impact on your ability to work, study or perform daily tasks. All other possible causes such as drug use or bipolar disorder have been ruled out. related illness. Sometimes it might not be clear whether someone has schizophrenia if you have other symptoms at the same time, and psychiatric may have reason to believe you have a related mental illness such as bipolar disorder. People with bipolar disorder suffering from periods of elevated moods and extremely activity, excited behavior to periods of deep depression. Some people also hear voice and experience other kinds of hallucination or may have delusionation. Schizophrenia affective disorder. This can describe as a form of schizophrenia because its symptoms are similar to schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. But schizoaffective disorder is mental illness in its own rights. It may occur just once its presence, life, or come and go and tired by states. ठीक है. अब diagnosis children and young people. Children and young people with first episode of schizophrenia should be referred urgently and specialist mental health service. This should be either children and young pupils mental health service for those aged up to 17 or an early intervention service of those aged 14 year of over that include a consulted psychiatrist with training in children and young pupils mental health. अब हम पढ़ेंगे ट्रीटमेंट मोडलिटीज. Pharmacotherapy, convulsion antipsychotics are now used less frequently because of their only partial effective and adverse effect. The following are the drugs given to non-complicated patients. Non-complication commonly used atypical antibiotics and drugs used in schizophrenia are mood stabilizers and depressants, etc. Management of occult psychosis in schizophrenia will almost always into the use of antiseptic agent. Frequently treatment and accumulations with can be helpful controlling severe distress patient if possible. Administration of medication should follow a doctor. Patient discuss the risk, benefits and alternative treatment whenever possible. Is baseline laboratory evaluation should be completed prior on the initial of pharmacotherapy as soon as possible therapy. ठीक है. उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे एरिफ्रानाजोल, एसिम्फेनिया, ब्रेक्सीपेराजोल, कैरिपेजाइन, क्लोजापाइन, ठीक है, ल्यूरोसाइडोन, ओलेंजापाइन. ठीक है. हेलोपेरिडोल is convention is typical antipsychotics and have been used to treat schizophrenia for years. However, then something is movement related side effects such as tremors and dystonia and condition that cause involuntary muscles contractions. Antipsychotic is usually recommended as initial treatment for the symptoms of an acute schizophrenia episode that work blocking of effect of the chemical dopamine on the brain. Around 30% of patients with schizophrenia do not respond sufficiently in standard second generation antipsychotic drug. There is patient clozapine has been as the gold standard treatments. Antipsychotic medication are the first time medication treatment of schizophrenia. They have been shown clinical trials effectiveness and treating symptoms and behavior associated with disorder. However, antipsychotic medicine and significant side effect. The honest and medication rich and market of the treatment of schizophrenia is Caplyta and products of intracellular therapies. नेक्स्ट है हमारा इलेक्ट्रोकन्वल्सन थेरेपी. What is electroconvulsive therapy? Indication are categories supporters, catatonic excitement, severe side effect, and drug. Usually 8 to 10 ECT are required to given about 10 to 20 convulsion spread over a period of 4 to 6 weeks. ठीक है. इसमें electroconvulsive therapy is a psychiatric treatment where a generalized seizures with muscular convulsion is electrical induced to manage or refractory mental disorder, typically 70 to 120 volts and applied externally to the patient head, resulting in approximately 800 milliamperes of direct current passing between the electrodes for a duration of 100 milliseconds to 6 seconds, either from temple to temples or from front to back on side of the head. However, only about 1% of the electrical current crosses the bunny skulls into the brain because skull independent is about times higher than skin independent. The ECT electroconvulsive therapy procedure was first conducted in 1938 by Italian psychiatrician USG, ठीक है, and rapidly replaced their safe and effectiveness from a biological treatment in use at the time. ECT often used with informed consent as a safe and effective intervention of major depressive disorder, mania and catatonia. It is mechanism and originally placed in this class category to United States Food and Drug Administrative in 1976. They are classified into class device to treatment to catatonia, major depressive disorder and bipolar disorder. Outside from the effect on the brain, the general physical risk of ECT are similar to those of brief general anesthesia immediately follow treatment. The most common adverse effects are confusion and टेंसाइंस मेमोरी लॉस अमंग ट्रीटमेंट फॉर सीवियरली डिप्रेस्ड प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन, है ना. ईसीटी इन वन ऑफ द लास्ट हार्मफुल टू द फिटस. अ यूजुअल कोर्स ऑफ ईसीटी इन्वॉल्व मल्टीपल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव टिपिकली गिवन 2 or 3 times per week until the patient no longer has symptoms. ECT is administered under anesthesia with a muscles relaxants. ECT can differ in its application in 3 ways: electrode placement, treatment frequency, and the electrical waveform of the stimulus. This treatment parameters can pose significant difference in both adverse side effects and symptoms in treated patient. Placement can be bilateral, where electric current passed from the side of brain to the other, and unilateral, in which the current is passed across a hemisphere of the brain. High dose unilaterals has some cognitivity advantage compared to moderate dose bilateral ECT while showing the different and antidepressant efficacy. ECT appears to work in the short term with an anticonvulsant effect primary the frontal lobes and longer viva neuropathic effects primary in medial tumors lobe. अब psychology. What is psychotherapy? Cognitive therapy, group therapy, behavior therapy, and family therapy. Psychotherapy. Psychotherapy or talk therapy. It is way to help people with a broad variety of mental illness and emotions difficulties. Psychotherapy can help eliminate or control troubling symptoms so as person can function better and can increase well-being and healing. Problem help in psychotherapy include difficult in coping with daily life, the impact of trauma, medical illness, loss like the death of loved, and specific mental disorder like depression or anxiety. There are several different types of psychotherapy and some type at work better with certain problems in issue. Psychotherapy may be used combination with medication or other therapy seasons. Therapy may be conducted in an individual, family, couples or group setting and can help both children and adults. Season are typically held once a week of about 30 to 50. Both patient and therapist need to be activity involved. Psychotherapy, the trust and relationship between a person and his/her therapist is essential to working together effectively and benefiting from psychotherapy. Psychotherapy can be short-term, dealing with immediate issue, or long-term, month, 1 year, dealing with longest-standing and complex issue. The goals of treatment and arrangements of law often and how long meet to plan बी द पेशेंट टू थेरेपी. ठीक है. अब साइकोथेरेपी एंड मेडिकेशन में हम देंगे साइकोथेरेपी इज ऑफ्टन यूज टू कॉम्बिनेशन विद मेडिकेशन टू ट्रीट मेंटल हेल्थ कंडीशन. इन सम सर्क्यूमेटेंस मेडिकेशन में बी क्लियरली यूजफुल एंड इन अदर साइकोथेरेपी में बी द बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर मैनी पीपल. कंबाइंड मेडिकेशन एंड साइकोथेरेपी ट्रीटमेंट इज बेटर देन आइदर अलोन. हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल improvement such as good nutrition, regular exercise and adequate sleep can be important in supporting recovery and overall wellness. Does psychotherapy work? Research show that most people who receive psychotherapy experience symptoms relief and are better able to function in their lives. About 75% of people who enter psychotherapy show some benefits from it. Psychotherapy has been shown in improve emotion and behaviors to be liked with positive change in the brain, the body. The benefits also include fewer 6 days less disability, fewer medical problems, and increased work satisfaction. With the use of brain imaging technique, research have been able to see change in the brain after a person has undergone psychotherapy. Numerous studies have identified brain changes people with mental illness, including depression, panic disorder, as a result of undergoing psychotherapy. In most cases, the brain change resulting from psychotherapy were similar to change resulting from medication. To help get the most out of the psychotherapy approach, the therapy is a collaborative effort and often an honest and follow your agreed upon plan for treatment, following through with the assessment between sections such as writing a example of practicing and you are talked about. Types of psychotherapy. Psychotherapists and other mental health professionals use several types of therapy. The choice therapy types depend on the patient's particular illness and circumstance and his or profession's therapies must combine elements from different approaches the best meet the need of persons receiving treatment. Cognitive behavior therapy help people identify the changed thinking and behavior patterns that are harmful or effectiveness, replacing them with more occurrence throughout the functional behavior. It can help a person focus on current problem and how to slow them if after involve practicing new skill. The real world CBT can be helpful in treating variety of disorder including depressions, anxiety, trauma related disorder and eating disorder. For example, CBT can help a person with depression recognize and change negative thought patterns and behavior that are कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू हेल्प और डिप्रेशन. उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे इंटरपर्सनल थेरेपी इज़ अ शॉर्ट टर्म form of treatment in help patient understanding underlying interpersonal issue that are like grief, changes, social or work roles, conflicts with significant other and problems relating to other. It can help people learn healthy way to express emotion and way to improve communication and how they related to other. It is most often used to treat depression. Delineation behavior therapy is a specific type of CBT that helps regulate emotion. It is often used to treat people with chronic through and people with borderline personality disorder, eating disorder. It teaches new skills to help people take personal responsibility to change unhealthy or distributive behavior. It involves both individual and group therapy. Psychodynamic therapy is based on the idea that behavior and mental well-being are influenced of childhood experience and inappropriate repetitive throw of feelings that are unconscious outside of the person's awareness. A person work with the therapist to improve self-awareness to the change and patterns so he can more fully take charge of his her life. Psychoanalysis is more intensive of psychodynamic therapy. Essential are typically conduct 3 or more times a week. Supportive therapy use guidance and encouragement to help patient development their own resource in help build self-esteem, reduce anxiety, strength coping mechanism and improve social and community function. Supportive psychotherapy and help patient deal with issue related to their mental health condition which is turn affect the rest of their. Additional therapy sometimes used in combination with psychotherapy include animal assisted therapy, creative arts therapy and play therapy. Animal assisted therapy working with dogs, horns, other animals to bring comfort, help with communication and help cope with trauma. You art, dance, drama, music and poetry therapies to help children identify the talk about their emotions and feelings. हम नेक्स्ट पढ़ेंगे साइकोसर्जरी. द नेक्स्ट इज साइकोसर्जरी. साइकोसर्जरी क्या होता है? साइकोसर्जरी द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ साइकोसिस और अदर मेंटल डिसऑर्डर्स बाय साइकोसिस मीन्स ऑफ ब्रेन सर्जरी. द फर्स्ट सच टेक्निक वॉज डेवलपमेंट बाय अ neurologist. Anatomy was first performed by the producer called lobotomy or professional leucotomy was based on experimental studies. ठीक है. In symptoms induced in could be modified by cutting brain fibers. Original procedure consists of cutting to opening the skull on the east side above the temple and the severing the nerve fibers connecting the thalamus with the frontal lobes of the brain. And lobotomies are to longer performance psychosurgery that involve much less extensive area of the brain has come to be generally regarding as procedure to be followed only after the form treatment have provided ineffectiveness and patient remains severely distressed or tormented by illness since of introduction of antipsychotic medication and the condition of only a very few patients we wanted such as drastic measures. 40 to 50 years psychosurgery was performed on patients who showed chronic agitations and severe distress, impulsivity, violence and self-destructive behavior. Patients frequently reduction of such as symptoms other the surgery, but they also exhibited reduced drive and initial increased apathy and general reduction in the depth and intensity of their emotion response to life. Medical psychosurgery of this type almost never used to because of this understandable effect. Psychosurgery that involve the placement of tiny lesions in specific area of the brain and that virtually no effect on natural function or the so-called quality of life has also been developed. This technique are used in case of obsessive compulsive behavior and case of severe. Also used the management of chronic pain such as that caused by damage to nervous system and associated with terminal cancer. Coronary artery bypass, also called coronary artery bypass graft, surgical treatment of coronary heart disease. Coronary artery disease usually caused by it intracellular fatigue, liquid blood up the walls of the coronary arteries, gradually damaging of flow of blood through them. Insufficient blood flow through the coronary arteries into the heart musculature of manifest an angina pectoris, pain of discomfort in the chest and increase the risk of myocardial infarction. द ठीक है, नेक्स्ट हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा. कोरोनरी थैलीपेरी इज द डायग्नोसिस, प्रोग्नोसिस. देन थैंक यू.